Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome to Beauty Cake Snack, my style of cooking. So today we are going to cook beef sauce. So this beef sauce, you can eat it with white rice or you can eat it with mashed potato. So these are the ingredients we are going to need. So look at it very well. And the one on the plate, those are the ones I took from this. The ones I'm going to need specific. I have the garlic, I have the curry, I have the white pepper, I have the red pepper, I have the mango. So that is it. First thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to start slicing the onions, the apple, the cucumber, the red pepper, the mushroom. So that is the mushroom that I'm going to use. Okay, here we are. We have already chopped our onions. There is it. And now we are going to cut our apple. What we do, we take the inside out like that. We are not taking the skin off, no? So the skin stays. The skin is going, and roast it slowly like that. So there is our apricots. Put it on the bowl. So what we do now, we go for our cucumber. First thing we do, we wash it. Okay, this we don't peel the whole skin off, but we take some skin off like that. Not all the skin, but leave some on it. It's not working with me now. Yep, that is good. Throw that away. Okay, then we just split it in four. Is it? So that's our cucumber cut. What we do now, we go for the mushroom. First thing we also do, we wash it. Always wash your ingredients. Even if the side is washed already before, always wash it. So like that. If you want it bigger, you can cut it bigger. There's no rule about it. So yep. Okay, that is our mushroom. Yes. Okay. Just put it on the bowl. Now I'm gonna do clean this up so I can do the meat. Okay. Now for the meat. The meat we have to make sure he's thin. And we have to, it's meat with no fat, so you don't need to go and buy meat with fat. That will not work. You have to be meat with no fat and cut it as thin as you can. Thin as you can. And if you can take any, if there is any fat on it, you take it off like this. I'm not gonna use this, so I'm gonna take that off. Buy the best meat you can find in the shop. So this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna do it off camera because it's gonna be a long time slicing this up. So as you can see, we have finished chopping our meat, so as thin as we can. And what we are going to do now, we are going to put the oil and we are going to start frying. And that's our red pepper. It has already been chopped too. What we do now, we on the fire. That's enough. We don't need too much. So we just let it heat up. Before it heat up, here we have flour. So what we do, we put a little bit of salt on it, like that. Remember our pepper, this one, we put it in. And just mix it up. Then our meat, because we are going to marinate the meat inside. The reason of doing this, it makes the meat softer. And you marinate it in the oil, make it softer. So, like that. And last time, I got a question from somebody asking me where am I from? Maybe because I cook Asian food and all. So yeah, I told the person I am from I live in Belgium. I am a Nigerian, live in Belgium. I've been in Belgium for a long time, and I love to cook different food. Any type of food I like to cook it. I don't base on eating one type of food. I like eating different things, so that is it. And to those who are sending me weird message that you want to get to know me and all, thanks for the offer. I am taking already. I am a married woman with children, so I just love to cook. That is why I go on YouTube, so I can also share it. If you're in Belgium, you know me very well. I am Beauty Cake and Snacks. So I love to bake, I love to cook, so that is it. Thank you for your offer. So just put the meat on it like that. Just let it cook. Just give it a few minutes, about 3 minutes, then we'll turn it around. 3 minutes. So now we just turn it around. Like that. After you turn it around, you give it another 3 minutes to cook again. So, we have been cooking for 6 minutes now. What we do, we put our onions in. That's our onions. We just stir it in. And we turn it around. That is going on. You just give it 1 minute. 1 minute with the onions. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. After that, we put our pepper in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the pot because it's a bit too small. But when I put all the ingredients, I'm gonna have problem with it. So what I do, I just change the pot. Get everything in like that. So that's much easy. While that is going on, what we do now, we put our pepper in, our red pepper, our garlic, our curry. We just put everything in once. Okay, after that, get our apple in. That's our apple in. What you will realize there's no water in this food. Remember our cucumber? Goes in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it 1 or 2 minutes before I put the mushroom in. So, I'll be cooking for a while. Now we are going to put our mango in. Then get this in. And this. A little bit of salt. You don't need too much salt because we already put salt in the flour while we marinate the meat. So after that, still just mix it up. Then we prep our apple juice. This is 100% apple juice. It doesn't have sugar. Doesn't have sugar on it, so this is 100% apple juice. We just pour it in. As you can see, there's a lot of meat in here, so we need 2 of this. So take another one, just open. So we are going to let this just cook down a little bit, and after cook down a little bit, we put our mushroom. So just let it cook down. While it's open, we don't close it this moment. Just give it 3 minutes. So it have been cooking for a while now. We put the mushroom. Why we don't put the mushroom early? Because mushroom doesn't take time to cook. So that's why we don't put it early. So if you're wondering how to cook the rice, just check my recipe how to make a chicken sauce, sweet and sour. I also cook rice there, so I also put the from start to finish. You will see how to cook rice there. So this can be eaten with white rice, can be eaten with mashed potato. So now we just leave it for about 20 minutes to cook, slow cooking. Then I will put the gas on 2. Then I cover it up. So now we are going to check on our food. You can see it's cooked already, and the vegetable are not overcooked. Still have the crunchiness on it because you don't want it to be overcooked, the vegetable. So that is our beef sauce. So now we are going to plate up our food. Here it is. Just put it on a big bowl for our family to eat, so everyone can just take from this side. Here's something you can make for your guests. You see all the vegetable on top. Great, how beautiful is that? Then we plate up the rice too. Add the rice. So like I said, if you want to know how I cook the rice, you just check my chicken sweet and sour sauce, then you will see how I cook the rice. The recipe is there. So, that is our food ready to eat. Bon appetit! If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I love cooking. I love creating ideas. I love creating recipe. That is one of the reasons I went to YouTube, so that people can also see it and also cook it and have fun with it. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so.